Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Children, the last class we completed our theory class, right? We completed the poem. So today's is a writing section. So my dear children, please take your English book and take page number 30. Okay, children. See the question. Who did the poet meet on the way? Who did the poet meet on the way? Tick the correct answers. Man, cat, girl, horse, elephant, rabbits, puppy. So, students, please the poet. Who did the poet meet on the way? The poet meet first man. Okay. Dear children, please tick the word man. Okay. So the next one, the second, the poet meet who? The girl. Okay. Girl. Please tick the word girl. Then what's the next one? The next one is horse. Okay. The first one is man. The second one is girl. The third one is horse. The fourth one is rabbits. Okay. So the last one is puppy. So the first one is man, second one is girl, third one is horse, fourth one is rabbits, the last one is puppy. So the next one, okay. With whom did the poet go up to the hill in the end? With whom did the poet go up to the hill in the end? So the answer is puppy, right? So the answer is puppy. So the second one, okay. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Where are you going to, man? I said to the man as he went by. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. To get some bread. To get some bread. Dear children, you have to write here to get some bread. Okay, to get some bread. So the next one. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. To get some hay. Down to the village to get some hay. The horse said, down to the village to get some hay. Here you have to write. Okay. So my dear children, please take the next page. Okay. So the next one. Where are you going to, woman, so early? I said to the woman as he went by. I said to the woman as he went by. You have to write down to the village to get some barley. Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? Will you come with me? Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? Okay. You have to write. Okay. Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? In this sentence, you have to write here. Okay. So the next one. Where are you going in your brown fur coats? I said to the rabbit as they went by. So the rabbit replied, see, down to the village to get some oats. Down to the village to get some oats. Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with me, with us? Will you come with us? Will you come with us? You have to write here. Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us? So the next one. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up to the hills, to roll and play. To roll and play. I will come with you, puppy. To roll and play. I will come with you, puppy. Okay. So you have to write to roll and play. The puppy replied to the boy to roll and play. I am going to the hill to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy. Okay, finish. So, the third one. Okay, the heading is choose the rhyming word from the poem for the following. Choose the rhyming word from the poem for the following. We have to write the rhyming word of these words. Okay, we have to write the rhyming word of get, van, walking, town, thread, pill, pot, day, boats. Okay, in these words we have to write the rhyming word. So the first one is get. What's the rhyming word of get? Get, met. Okay, the rhyming word is met. Okay, get, met. So the next one, van. Van, man. Van, man. Okay. So third one, walking, talking. Walking, talking. Walking, talking. So the next one, town, down. Town, down. Town, down. Thread, bread. Thread, bread. Pill, hill. Pill, hill. Pot, not. Pot, not. Day, hay. Day, hay. Boats, oats. Boats, oats. Get, met. Van, man. Walking, talking. Town, down. Thread, bread. Pill, hill. Pot, not. Day, hay. Boats, oats. Okay, students, then the next one is you have to take page number 33. Okay, page number 33, the worksheet 1. Worksheet 1. Are you familiar with the famous poem Jack and Jill? How old were you when you read this poem for the first time? Number the pictures in the correct order as in the poem. So we have to, I hope you are all familiar the song Jack and Jill, right? So we have to arrange. So first, see the first picture, the Jack and Jill, they are together, they are falling down. Okay, this is the first picture. So second one, Jack and Jill, they are going up to fetch a pail of water. Okay, so the last one, the first Jack is falling down. So we have to arrange. Okay, so the first one is B. Okay, Jack and Jill, they are going to the up. Okay, this is the first one. You have to write the number 1. Okay, so here the second. Okay, Jack is falling down. We have to write here 2. Okay, so here the Jack and Jill, they together, they are falling down. So we have to write here 3. Okay, so this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. Okay, right? So the next one, write the missing sentences. You can take help from the clue box. Here they gave some clues also. If you have any doubt, we can use these clues also. So Jack and Jill went up the hills. Okay, Jack and Jill went up the hills. The next word will come. Read the clues. Tumbling after and broke his crown to fetch a pail of water. Which one will come next? Yes, right. To fetch a pail of water. To fetch a pail of water. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Right. Okay. So the next one. Jack fell down. Jack fell down. What's the next one? Let's see the clue box. Tumbling after and broke his crown to fetch a pail of water. Which one will come next? Right. And broke his crown. And broke his crown. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jack fell down and broke his crown. And Jill came tumbling after. Jill came tumbling after. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jock fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So the next one, complete the answers. Complete the answers. The first one is, who reached the hilltop first? Who reached the hilltop first, children? So the answer is Jack. Jack reached the hilltop first. Jack reached the hilltop first. Okay. So the next one. What did Jack and Jill went to do there? What did Jack and Jill want to do there? What did Jack and Jill want to do there? Jack and Jill went there to fetch a pail of water. Jack and Jill went there to fetch a pail of water. What did Jack and Jill want to do there? Jack and Jill went there to fetch a pail of water. Okay, students. I hope you will write everything in your textbook. Okay. So please copy this everything in your textbook and take snapshot and send to my personal number. Okay, personal WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye.